Okay, let's see about function generics either. Functions generics, how basically it works, right? In TypeScript, for example, I have a function which is getting data, okay, which is getting data of, which is basically returning user, okay. Suppose id, and it's returning, suppose it's basically it's the getting, the get data is receiving id, and it has got name which is let's say John Doe, and is okay, sorry is, sorry is 18, okay. Suppose this const user equals to get data, and I said it is receiving id, okay, right, id. Now in this case, suppose I'm passing 1, okay, I'm talking about function generics in function, okay. This id, the getting data is receiving id, okay, id of the user, and it's returning the object, user object, right. So this function is returning user object, and basically after getting the id of that user, okay. At this moment it has got any type, okay, at any type. If I hover in this case, it's saying any, so the type of the id is any at the moment. If I basically annotate it as, like, if I give it either a string or number, right, either string or number, if I do this, the id, type of the id, I'm passing, although I'm passing one number, I'm passing number 1, it is saying that the id of the user can be either string or number. It's not giving that the exact type of the id, right. So the generics comes into picture, right, in this case. So how it works is if I give, suppose I if I give id type, okay, if I give id type, and I also pass id type, sorry, id type, like this, right, like this. If I pass it like this, so this is generics, okay, this is generics, okay. Now the type of the id is represented by the name id type. So I'm passing number 1 at this moment. If I hover or in the user, the linter will say the type of the id is a number, right, type of the id is a number. If I hover, if I pass string over here, string over here, then it give me string. The cool thing is it even takes boolean now. See, id is boolean, right. The generics, the type of the id is boolean now. After making the type of the id is the id type, now the id can be boolean, can be string, can be number, I don't think can be object, can it be, oh my god, it's receiving anything. That's cool, right? That's cool. So this is about generics in function, okay. There is a lot of more things in generics, but that's all for today.